Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you which home planner is the best between Planner 5D and Room Planner. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So the first thing you want to know is that Planner 5D and Room Planner are both home design that help you to create 2D and 3D floor plans. After that, over here, 5D Planner offer expensive customization with AI and art feature, while Room Planner focus on quick and easy on room layout. After that, let's look at the 5D features over here. Planner 5D provide a massive catalog of over 8,000 items, allowing you to design your space in detail. Then it also offers high quality 3D rendering and cross-platform compatibility. After that, include AI design suggestion and augmenting reality support for real-time visualization. Then let's talk about the room planner feature over here. Room planner focus on simplicity with predefined room templates and catalog for real-world furniture. Then it allows you to quick room setup and available on mobile devices for easy use on the go. After that, let's compare who should choose which planner over here. Planner 5D is better for users who want detailed customization, AI and art features, and professional level design. Then room planner is better for those who need a quick, easy to use tool for basic room layouts with real furniture option. So that's the comparison between Planner 5D and the room planner. That's it.